Hi girls and welcome back. It's Ariani. Today's finally the day that we are packing for a trip to California, and I am so excited because tomorrow we will be going to Los Angeles for the very first time. I literally just want to teleport over there so bad. So today we're doing a prep and pack with me. I need to do my hair because it's literally a mess. I also need to do my nails. It looks scary. And then I need to do some last minute packing because I have some stuff to add to my luggage and really finalize my luggage. That's what we're going to be doing today. I'm bringing you guys along with me and also to LA. So stay tuned for the LA vlog. I have an appointment at 11:30, so I'm going to start heading out to get this hair done. Okay, so I just finished up at the hair salon and I literally love it so much. I go to Salon Ombre with Jamie and she just always slays my hair. It just looks so good. I love it. Our nail appointment is at 3 and it's currently 1:22. What we're gonna do is we are going to pack. I already have a few things in here that's already packed that I know I want to bring. I can't even lie, I was like struggling to find an outfit for LA because I was just searching it up on Pinterest and it was just like very simple. So I have some simple fits here. We're gonna be there for 4 days, so I'm going to need daytime and nighttime outfits. Day one outfit, I'm just gonna go with my airport fit. That's pretty much what we're gonna rock with. So we're gonna pack for the night out for day one. I mean, I'm thinking of wearing this really cute two-piece set from Public Desire. This capri white set. It's asymmetrical, which I feel like that is just such my thing. I love asymmetrical stuff. So I'm gonna go with this white outfit. Now for day two, it is definitely more of a casual vibe. So what we're gonna do is probably these shorts. I'll probably wear it with this black tank top that I got from Amazon. So we have a night out for day two as well. So I think what I might do is go with this black like halter top kind of vibe. Probably wear it with a black skirt and black shoes kind of vibe. What do you think? We are going to the beach as well, so what I think I might do is bring this random bikini set that I got from Pretty Little Thing and add that as well. I might just also bring other bikinis as well. Day three, we're going shopping, so I think what I might do just to make my life easier is I'll probably just wear this black long dress. I wore this to the road pop-up already, so I think I'm going to take some nighttime pictures in this red set from White Fox. It is so cute. It's like glittery as well. It's so cute. So I think I might take some pictures in this. I'm also bringing this dress as well for a night out. Or do you think I should use the satin one? This one's really cute. I think I might just bring it just in case as a backup. So I think that concludes 4 days, including my airport outfit. I think for clothing, we're all packed up and ready to go. So I think what I'm going to do is move on to makeup and accessories. Okay, so we're almost done. My nail appointment is very soon, so we're gonna take a pause for now. We did really good. I think we just have to finish off with some little necessities. The majority, we are all packed up and ready. Yeah, we're almost LA ready. Let's go get our nails done. We just got done at the nail salon. This is just pretty much what I got. Something super simple. I love how they came out. It's so cute. We're all finished with the hair and nails. Gonna do some last minute items that I need and we'll be all said and done. Done. I just got something really simple because I'm gonna have to take it off in like a week because nursing school, it's the next day. It's currently like 4:47 and I have to leave the house right about now. Today we are packed and ready to go. I am so excited to be going to LA for the very first time and I'm excited to share the vlog with you guys, so stay tuned for next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's prep and pack with me and I'll see you guys in LA. Bye guys.